Phasalo Bidhan Sabhani Adhiveshano TTAADC budget bill revenue te finance no twiwi Khorang Tisakha MLA Dangshu Aboni Logilogi tribal welfare Roman scripts M education health drugs police quarter SLP te SPO no twiwi bo Phasalni Adhiveshano Koksakha Tipra Motha ne MLA Dangshu Asali assembly wo Koksakha ni thangai TTAADC ni Dalbidal issue te Tipra students rogni scholarship issue no twiwi bo Koksakha Asalo tebu Sakha scholarship man yakhan ke balai kheno jungjalok kalaibo rungsrak nairok Aboni Logilogi no Roman script no twiwi bo Koksakha borok no Roman by seimana ni shebro wiro dekhanai
Sir, I want to talk about education. In education, we are taking 2 steps forward and 1 step backward. Let me tell you why I am saying 1 step backward. Sir, we have to focus on elementary educations. We have to focus on elementary educations, and any state is known by the importance of education and healthcare. Sir, 345 schools with 1 single teacher, that is also in ADC areas, in elementary schools. This is also an example that we have to focus more on education, because our teachers are already qualified, but they are still in contractual, and especially the shortage of teachers, sir. We need more recruitments. Because of the shortage of teachers, our school is not running fine. And I want to tell another important thing is that schools should be clubbed. I agree that TTAADC schools, that students are less. Students are less in schools. So let the school be clubbed. Let there be more residential schools. Let there be more hostels, so that the education system rising. Sir, when we talk about the regularization of teachers, I met RMSA teachers, sir. RMSA teachers, those are postgraduate, their getting salary less than the graduate teachers. So all these things should be rectified properly. They should be given respectful pay. They should be given a dignified pay. And not only RMSA teachers, all the other staff, those who are teaching and non-teaching under SSA, the computer teachers, they should also be put in mind when the budget is developed. And about the healthcare, sir, I was asked to talk about the recruitment of physiotherapists, Ayurvedic doctors, and more dentists and nurses to regularize the NHM staff, Anganwadi workers, and other contractuals, those who are working in the front line. So, sir, as a youth, if I don't talk about drugs, it will be unfair. I just want to tell the department who are monitoring under the drugs and the activities which is happening in all over the state. Sir, due to drugs, HIV is increasing day by day. Because of drugs, our student, our future generation are going backward. I don't know what kind of intelligence do our state have, but the buyers, those who are addicts, they know where people sell drugs, where they can buy drugs. But our local IBs, local intelligence, I don't know why they don't report, or why they don't intervene in that matter, or are they threatened, or is it politically supported business? Drugs should be very much monitored in all the subdivisions, in all the police stations, sir. We don't have the exact numbers also. We don't have the exact number of HIV cases also, because it is not documented. They are not coming. So there, I believe that building rehabilitation centers will not only be enough to stop the control. Sir, for important topic now, how in environment, drugs high, paisa very sensitive issue no or housing is a unfair ne Chini borok ni bagai coming the Chini borok se was a short of sir. So I will request the police department in all subdivision, in each subdivision, to be very strict in terms of drugs. If we as a whole community come and rise for stopping drugs, then we can do it. It's just that we need to be together, we need to collaborate and work. Sir, last but not the least, I want to talk about the police department as it comes under Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, police quarters are very much in a bad shape. It's a dilapidated condition. Police quarters, especially the quarters where police constables and the ranking staffs are staying. Okay, the inspector, sub-inspector level, they're getting a good quarter. It's very good and nice. They deserve that. But we should think about the constables also. I'm talking about my subdivision, Bonu. The condition is so worse that a very normal person will not be able to stay there. They are brave enough, that is why they are staying in those kind of quarters. Please, please. Conclude in one last slide. The SLP case of police department, sir. I think just very few employees are facing this SLP in the police department. I will request our Honorable Chief Minister to withdraw the SLP of police and kindly give them the respectful pay. I think they are inspectors and sub-inspector, if I'm not wrong, sir. And also, I want to talk about the SPOs. SPOs are also not less in duty, sir. They have been doing their duties like the regular police constables. But I think they are also 17 million over. Yes, sir. I think they are also below the minimum pay wage, and I think it should be increased.
TTAADC amsebo rungsrangnai rok belaikeno jungzalo kalaijak tabok borokni kogno wansugoi sebna harnani bagoi abo haikeno addition bill revenue te finance no khoboi joto beremni jungzalni kogno Tisakha assembly Tipra Motha ni MLA Dangshu Rajakor agolini simi provirni kokthum Chini Khorang